Ilang beses na akong sinagip ng panalangin ng ibang tao at maaaring ikaw din. When someone sincerely prays for you, even their lives need the mending and healing too, they are your people. Kapag may nag-extend ng kamay para ipanalangin ka, napakalaking bagay na nun. Yung naisip ka lang at nag-aalala sa'yo, masaya na. Paano pa kapag may naglaan ng oras para ipanalangin ka, para maligtas ka, gumaling ka, at maprotektahan ka? Dati akala ko ang corny kapag may nag-o-offer sa akin na ipagpipray ako. Pero na-realize ko na ang laki ng nagawa sa akin ng panalangin ng ibang tao. It may not what I want to receive, but God knows my soul needed the most. This is the time to pay it forward and bless someone today. You can be meeting someone today who's carrying a heavy burden. Be the hand that will save them today. Huwag mong maliitin ang kayang gawin ng panalangin mo. Pwedeng wala kang maibigay, pwedeng wala kang maiabot, pero pwede mo silang ilaban sa panalangin. And you will see how your prayers can free someone in the darkest prison cell. Maniwala ka, manalangin ka. Pray for someone today. With love and prayers, Noel.